Flex Bigfoot coming at you with another unboxing video. Got a box fresh from the mail. Haven't opened it. I did cut the tape open as I got a feedback from the last video that it's taken a while to open that box. So let's get just right into it. Got this box pre-cut. Just cut the tape. Haven't taken anything out. And you already know from the title of the video. So we got some bubble wrap going in here. Looks like it is much better preserved than another company that sends me authenticated sneakers. I will not mention who, but they have been known to just chuck things in a box. These are coming in from StockX. And Flex Bigfoot, having a bigger foot size, does get, well, I'm going to try to get sneakers just direct. Adidas, Nike, Under Armour, whatever, Puma, whatever company it may be. Even New Balance, like some of those. But yeah, getting it direct is the best way to go. My Bigfoot brethren may recognize that our size of 16, 17 kind of gets targeted, and there becomes a shortage of them because they don't make many to begin with. So it's a little tough on us. And here's your label for a size 17. Okay. Again, that's coming in from StockX, and it seems very well padded. Here's a box that they give us. Elephant plus Jordan equals super basketball player. That's how I'm interpreting that. All right, so it's opened up here. Got a little shipping label from StockX. And here we have, and they're looking good. I don't have any Jordan 3s, so this is my first and perhaps only pair of Jordan 3s. I like to spread it around a little bit for different models. This is your Desert Elephant. Okay. Now is that yeah, it is kind of like 3D. It's not flat. That air in the Jordan symbol is not flat on the back. That is raised. The Air Jordan in orange on that. Let me see. I think I had pulled up some specs. Dressed in a mix of black, rush orange, fossil, stone, and sail, this offering from Air Jordan 3 arrives in a black cement color blocking, while the elephant print overlays have been updated with a more natural brown elephant texture. Okay. It features a black leather upper, while red has been replaced with rush orange, along with a fossil rose hue on the suede tongues, eye stays, and ankle collar. Other notable details include a small patch on the insoles describing the formula that created the Jordan 3s. All right, that patch is the same as what's on the outer box there. The formula being elephant plus Jordan equals, again, I'm taking it as the super basketball player. A sail midsole atop a traditional Jordan 3 rubber outsole completes the design. So, okay, there's the sail midsole along here. Okay, on the top of the sole, I guess that's a tannish sole. I really thought these looked good. Uh, Almost like a high-class sneaker. I mean, you can kind of wear this, have your snifter of brandy there, and you know, be accepted at the country club. Um, but I like the black, and I know where this brown is. Sometimes there's like a gray elephant print or a cement print, and I'm kind of digging this brown. You have to have some tan or some brown to perhaps style this, but you know, it can't all be, as I said in the last video, you don't want to be just Joe Jim, white, navy, gray, and black. That's your only thing you can wear. I like to have this kind of variety going. I like this orange over here as well. And let's see, I heard that this, yeah, this does feel nice, this tongue here, suede tongue. And I know like these browns, and even just the blocking of the whole colorway is just slightly different from retail to direct from Nike in the mail. I have no complaints here. I mean, I know there was like some differences in the elephant print. This looks good to me. Yeah, there were different things that I saw pointed out. But I'm thinking this checks out good. I mean, again, at this size, they were asking crazy prices. I think the release of the red cement that came out recently may have helped someone accept my StockX offer because my bid, because I think they might have thought that everyone is moving on to the new one and that they would have problems unloading the old one. It's still, I didn't get them, you know, anywhere near retail, and I was there for the release, and again, sold out in the first minute at this size 17, and same day, plenty of them up on reselling platforms like eBay and StockX. So it's a shame, but that's just the reality of it. Oh yeah, tissue paper fans. Want to see the tissue paper? So it's like a elephant print. Last time I did a separate on foot, but to give you the fit, let's just check it out right now. Yeah, I guess you could also match with orange, but like I said, I think tan and brown are going to be two of your better colors to match this with. I have some brown Adidas shorts. These are, of course, Jordans. I don't think the brown Adidas shorts has a very bold Adidas logo, but hey, leave that in the comments. Are you pro or against mixing and matching the brands. I'm still not at the point where I'm going to wear a three-stripe jogger with a Nike shoe. That's just me. Not saying there's anything wrong with that, but I'm just not going there. But I'm going to chuck these on now because I was debating 16. Because what do I got? Recently, the Jordan Westbrook in a 16, and it fits fine. There's no extra space, that's for sure. But I had actually gotten a Nike Invincible Run in 15. I was at an outlet, so actually, instead of someone buying it from the outlet and me buying it from them, I bought it directly from the outlet at clearance. And the 15s were a perfect fit for a running shoe. Okay, it seems like the running shoes run a little bigger. The Curry running shoe I had gotten in, well, I got the regular Curry Flow. What is that, 8? The last one that came out. Curry Flow 8 fit me fine, 17. Got a second pair of Curry 8 17s that were a little big. And then the Curry Go Flow, the running shoe in 17, was way too big. Kind of like, not the length so much as the up down. There was like it just was sagging, which I had to make a return on that because running shoes, you kind of need them to be a little more form fitting because you can't have so much slippage in them that it's bad for your feet. So I did that same day when I went to the Under Armour store and brought those back, went to the Nike outlet. There were those Invincible runs. Getting those for less than half price. I mean, you can't beat that. Let me just put these on, give you some indication of how these fit. See, again, I almost was going to look at a 17 on these. I mean, a 16. And it's a good thing I didn't because it feels like the 17s are just fitting right. Let's see here. Yeah, I mean, I could tell 16 would have been no bueno. Um, 17 fits perfectly. I mean, let's see where my toe is. Okay. Well, my toe is about there. Let me see here. Yeah, it's about there. But yeah, I could tell side to side there isn't a ton of room. I might have gotten away with the 16, but it would have been tight. I mean, I have uh, another pair of Jordans that I had gotten in 16. Oh boy, what number was that? It's the one with the big long 23 on the back. I think that's the 12s. And yeah, it might have been the 12s. And it was no good, but they were a narrow shoe. But I couldn't get in the 16 on that. And I had another pair of those in 17, and those were good. So, on foot, I don't know if the camera's really focusing. Let's see. Maybe I can set the camera up. Do a little on foot right here. cut off the authentication thing that they had. But I am happy with the purchase. As I said, it's kind of a fine dining Jordan. Like I said, I had the brown shorts. Let me know in the comment if you're pro or against mixing and matching your different brands. Some people say it's okay with like Under Armour and Nike, or Under Armour and Adidas. Just, I guess they feel like Nike and Adidas were at war and that they shouldn't be wearing both of them at the same time. People who know their history might know that maybe Puma and Adidas had reason to be at war, being that they were started by brothers in Germany who had a falling out. Yeah, like I said, I'm liking them. Liking this tongue. It's very substantial. You can feel it's very comfortable. I don't know. What am I doing? No, I'm treadmill today, so it's not going to be today, but I'm going to try to work these into the rotation. Maybe give you a report on how they perform at the gym. I know a lot of people just wear all this stuff for casual wear. They don't wear this type of sneaker at the gym. But, you know, again, I'm not doing legs in them. I'm not going to do calves in them. But on a chest and try day, I think you're fine. Back and buy day, again, think you're fine. But as I said, quite happy with this. Quite happy with these. Oh. Let's see. Let's get us back to our spot up here. Camera. Yeah, I know. I'm doing everything in one take. Got a lot going on right now, so I'm not really doing the video editing. Not going to mix in any music. You don't have, you know, funny little memes coming across the screen. But hopefully the content is useful to everyone. So once again, come back when you can. Subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications on new videos. If they're still doing that, I don't even know. But yeah, give the video a like, give a comment, let me know you're out there, and we'll see you on the next video.